If you want to become a YouTuber in 2024, the first thing you'll need is a professional channel. I'll guide you through the process in 3 simple steps on how to create a professional channel. These are the same steps I followed to create my channel, which got successfully monetized within just 1 month. Additionally, I'll share a crucial setting that, if not configured correctly, could prevent YouTube from paying you even after your channel is monetized. All you'll need is a Gmail account. You can use your old Gmail account to create the channel, but I recommend creating a new one. Why? Because your old email might already be logged in on multiple devices, increasing the risk of it getting hacked in the future. It's better to start with a new email. Once you have your Gmail ready, simply open YouTube in desktop mode, go to YouTube Studio, and click on the Settings option on the left side. From there, navigate to Channel, and click on Advanced Settings, at the bottom, where you'll find the option to manage your YouTube account. Click on that, and YouTube will redirect you to a page where you'll see 3 options. Click on the second option, Add or Manage Your Channel. Now, you might wonder, I created a channel when I made the new email, can't I just upload videos there? Yes, you can. In fact, many people do. However, this could lead to a major problem in the future. What kind of problem? I'll explain later. First, let's create a proper channel. As soon as you click Add or Manage, you'll be taken to a page where you can create a branded channel. Simply click Create a Channel, enter the name of your new channel, tick the box, and click Create. Now, your question was whether you can upload videos on the default channel created with your Gmail. The problem with doing that is this. Suppose you start uploading videos on the default channel, and after some time, it gets monetized. But then, due to some reason, YouTube deletes the channel. The biggest issue here is that once that happens, you will never be able to start a new YouTube channel using that Gmail account again. I could go into more detail, but that would make this video too long. I'll explain it in another video. So now that your channel is created, it's time to enable some important settings. The setting I'm going to enable next has both a benefit and a drawback. But before that, let's go to Settings, then Channel, and under Feature Eligibility, enable the intermediate feature. You can easily do this by verifying your phone number. Just enter your phone number, click Submit, and enter the OTP you receive. Within 5 to 10 seconds, the feature will be enabled. However, if you don't enable this setting correctly, YouTube won't pay you even after your channel gets monetized. Next, go to Advanced Settings, and you'll see the option, Do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Listen carefully here. If your channel is specifically for kids, select the first option. If it's not related to kids, choose the second option. If your channel sometimes includes content for kids, select the third option. This way, whenever you upload a video, YouTube will ask you whether it's made for kids. The issue with kid-related content is that it generates fewer ads, which means less revenue. You can copy the settings below as they are. If you want to know how to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to get monetized within a month, just comment, "Let's reveal." Now, let's move on to another important setting for your channel, the Basic Info section. Simply go to Country and Residency, and select the country you're in while creating your channel. For example, since I'm in India, I'll select India. But why is there an option for keywords here? You're right, the keyword option helps your channel rank better. I also know a great way to use it. I'll explain further. For example, I'll enter some keywords here that will help YouTube understand the category of my channel. Let's take this channel as an example. You can see the keywords I've used there. You might wonder why I included keywords like this. There's a reason behind it. Let's say I've created a gaming channel, and I tell my friend about it. My friend would immediately understand that it's a gaming channel. But YouTube isn't a person who we can tell directly, right? So, I include the names of top YouTubers in the gaming category in my channel's keywords. This helps YouTube identify that my channel is related to gaming. I get a lot of comments asking, "Brother, I create tips videos, so which category should I select?" I'll explain that too. I've received a lot of comments asking, "Brother, I make tips videos. Which category should I select?" I'll answer that, but first, let me show you where to find the category selection option. For this, you need to go to Upload Defaults, then scroll down to Advanced Settings. Keep the other options as default and focus on the second one, your channel category. For example, if you teach how to make paper planes on your channel, which category would that fall under? Or which category should you select? Whenever I create a channel where I intend to teach something, I usually categorize it under Education. You can comfortably select this category without any doubt. Back to the point, select the language you're using to create your videos. If you make your videos in English, then select English. If your content is related to your home or lifestyle, this setting will be very beneficial, especially if your videos are long form. I recommend you to manually fill out the settings instead of relying on defaults. However, make sure to set your videos to Unlisted by default. This way, you can review each video and identify any mistakes before making them public. Avoiding these mistakes will be crucial for your channel's growth.